PayPal Commerce Platform gives you a really easy way to accept card and PayPal payments on your website, and you get a great looking card entry field which looks just like this. And the best thing is when people start typing their card number, the page will change to show the type of card that they're entering the details for. It's a really cool thing. So in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to set up PayPal Commerce Platform with your Roman Cart account. To set up PayPal Commerce Platform, you need to go to Configure and then select Payment Methods on the control panel. When you do that, you're going to see a screen that looks something like this. Now, by default, Roman Cart sets you up with PayPal Express Checkout anyway. If that's not there, you want to add that as well. So you need that in addition to PayPal Commerce Platform. And I'll come on to why that is a bit later on in this screencast. But set that up, click on Configure. Let's just quickly do that now. Make sure you've got your primary PayPal email address at the top. And then scroll down. These are really important. Make sure you've got Use PayPal Smart button selected, vertical, responsive, rectangle, gold, and allow. Just make sure it's set up exactly like that. All right. So let's click on back. Then what you want to do is add PayPal Commerce Platform. So you select that from the list and click on Add New Method. When it appears, then you click on the Configure icon. It says click here to connect to PayPal. You just click on there. Now you log into your PayPal account. And in this case, when I'm logging in, it's asking for some more information. You will find that when you connect PayPal to PayPal Commerce Platform, it's probably going to ask you for some more information. That depends on your account and lots of other things. But add the information, whatever it needs. So I just clicked on Go Back to Roman Cart, and you can see it says PayPal Express is enabled, and it says I'm limited to $500. I think that's interchangeable with pounds actually. But so that's fine because I'm just using this for demonstrating. There's loads of other options on here. Just leave those as default. And then let's see what that actually looks like. So if I go onto the Roman Cart website, you can do this yourself. You click on Demos and then select the World of Wines demo store at the bottom. This is our World of Wines demo store. Let's go to Audio Wines. I'm going to buy a bottle of peas porter. I'll click on Add to Basket. I've already selected the free shipping method. Proceed to checkout. I'll enter some details. Okay, they've been entered there. Then I will click here to pay with the card. Okay, so here's the card entry page. I'm actually going to use a real card for this demonstration, so I'm going to type that in now. And then I'm going to click on Pay with Card. It's going to show the 3D Secure panel. And then once that's complete, it shows that the transaction has been confirmed and the payment has been made. So that's the first way that people are going to be able to pay you. If I click on Continue, we've got a thanks for your order page as well that goes back to. So let's go back into the Audio Wines page. Let's order another bottle of peas porter. And this time I'm going to pay with PayPal. So if I click on the PayPal button there, I'll log in with my PayPal account. I'll click on Continue to confirm the details. So with PayPal, it's going to come back to the checkout page and the details will already be completed from the PayPal account. And then you click here to complete the order. And there we have it. There's a confirmation screen. But there is one other thing I want to show you as well. If we go to the control panel, if I click on the configure icon for PayPal Commerce Platform, if we scroll down here, you can also allow fast ordering. That's the minimum clicks to create an order. If I tick that and click on Save Changes at the bottom. Now for this to work, well, actually, I'll show you how it works first because this is pretty cool. So if I click on Continue, this takes us to thanks to your order page, Audio Wines, add a bottle of peas porter. Now this is fast ordering. So if I click on the PayPal button, which is how fast ordering works, I already logged into PayPal a moment ago. So all I need to do here is click on Pay Now. If I click on Pay Now, then watch this. This is going to complete the order in that click. So it goes to the checkout page, but it doesn't show the checkout page. It goes straight to the order confirmation page. So that's in one click. When they get to PayPal, they've completed and paid you. Now, for that to work, you've got to have no extra checkout fields, and you can't have them accepting terms and conditions on your checkout page, because obviously that's an extra step that they have to stop and complete. But if you're happy not doing any of those things, then you can just have a one-click checkout with PayPal, which is really cool. So the final thing I said I was going to mention as well, if we go back to configure payment methods, you want to have PayPal Express Checkout enabled too. And the reason for that is because this PayPal Commerce Platform is a very new system and it's designed for all the latest browsers. If your customer's using a really old browser, PayPal Commerce Platform won't work with that. So what we've done at Romacart is we've made it so if they're on an old browser, it will fall back to using PayPal Express Checkout, so you won't lose any of those transactions. It's important to point out as well, it's got to be the separate PayPal Express Checkout. PayPal Commerce Platform does, of course, have Express Checkout built into it, but you need to have the separate one enabled. And then Romacart will fall back on that if they're on a browser that's not supported by the new system. But all in all, it's a really, really great system. Hopefully you can see it's an easy way to accept payments, and it looks great to the customer and your checkout process as well.